Hello everyone. Next we are going to make a shark. First we're going to start by making the body of the shark. Then we're going to give the details like eyes and the fins. Then we're going to draw the big mouth with the sharp teeth. And then at last we are going to color it with navy blue color, or you can use any color as you want. Here we have used sketch pen. You can also use crayons or watercolors, and it is completed. Next we're going to make carrots and chilies. Starting by making the carrots and its stem, we are going to detail it and coloring it with green and red color. And then we're going to move ahead towards our chilies. We're going to make its stems as well and the two chilies. Then we are going to color them with green and red color as well, and they are completed. Next we are going to draw a beautiful fish by using a hand structure at first, and then we are going to detail it from the middle, starting by making the eyes and the fins. Here we are going to give it some more features, and we're going to make it water themed, making some water grass as well. Now we're going to use variety of colors for coloring our fish, starting by taking the yellow and pink color as measure, followed by the blue and black one. And then you can see your simple yet beautiful fish scenery is completed. Next we're going to draw a scenery with some trees, starting by making the trunk of the tree. We're going to make the leafy part. Then we are going to move ahead towards the ground, which includes a pathway also. Then we're going to draw one more tree and some grass on the ground. At last we are going to make a bird in the sky and some clouds. When it's ready, we are going to color it with variety of colors. You can use any color you want as per your preference, and then you can see your beautiful scenery is completed.